Question 6. We need to solve the simultaneous equation. First of all, we need to label that equation 1 and equation 2. That's equation 1 and that's equation 2. Now I need to make y the subject so I can substitute y into equation 2. Now I've rearranged y equals 3x minus 2 by taking minus 3x to the other side of the equation, and I get plus 3x, and taking 2 to the other side I get minus 2. I'm going to substitute y equals 3x minus 2 into equation 2. So now I got y, which is 3x minus 2 squared minus x minus 6x squared coming from equation 2. I need to expand 3x minus 2x squared. To do my squared expansion, I'm using a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, where my a is 3x and b is minus 2, and here it is. So I get 3x squared, a squared, plus 2 times 3x, 2ab, and b is times minus 2, plus b squared, is minus 2 squared, minus x, minus 6x squared equal to 0. That becomes 9x squared, that's 3 squared times x squared, minus 12x, because 2 times 3s is 6x, 6x times minus 2 is minus 12x, plus 4, because minus 2 squared is plus 4, minus x, minus 6x squared. 9x squared minus 6x squared is 3x squared, minus 12x minus x is minus 13x, plus 4 equal to 0. Now I need to factorize this equation. So my a is 3, b is minus 13, and c equals 4. To factorize, I'm looking for AC. A is 3, c is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. I need two numbers I can multiply together to get 12. So minus 12 times minus 1 is plus 12, so that's good. I also need two numbers. If I add them together, same numbers, I will get minus 13. So minus 12 minus 1 is minus 13. So the two numbers I'm looking for is minus 12 and minus 13. All I now need to do is to put x here and turn that into x. That's 1x. And then I need to take 12x minus x and replace it with minus 13x. So now I've replaced minus 13x with minus 12x minus x. Now I need to find common factor between these two and a common factor here. Common factor here is 3x and the common factor here is minus 1. So I've taken 3x out of here. So 3x, I've got x left and minus 4. 3x times x will be 3x squared. 3x times minus 4 will be minus 12x. Here I'm taking minus 1 out, so that's minus 1. So I've got x left because minus 1 times x is minus x. And minus 1 times minus 4 will be plus 4, and that equal to 0. Now I've got new factors. There's a common factor here, minus 4, x minus 4, and x minus 4. Then I have 3x minus 1 left. So I've got 3x minus 1 left. That's why we've got that one. And I've got x minus 4 as a factor, and that's why we've got those. To set the first factor to 0, so therefore 3x minus 1 equal to 0, x equals 1 over 3. I need to set the second factor to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0, therefore x equals 4. At my x equals 1/3, I need to find y. To find y, I need to plug x equals 1/3 here. If I put 1/3 here, that would be 3 times 1/3, that would be 1. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Therefore, y equals minus 1. And I need to put x equals 4. So if I put x equals 4 here, 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. Therefore, y will be 10. Y equals 10. The solution is x equals 1/3 and y is minus 1. Also, x equals 4 and y is 10. That is where the two curves meet.